What's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Evolution stickers. Now these are die cut stickers, which what that means is not every single one of these things is connected. So there's a transfer tape that allows you to install the sticker. Some people don't know that they actually leave the transfer tape on, as well as sometimes the transfer tape won't release the sticker. So I'm going to show you some tricks and tips and tricks, whatever, on how to actually apply the transfer sticker. And it would apply to a car, a snowboard, and a helmet. All of them are different ways to apply them, so that's one reason I want for all three. But before we jump into that, I just want to quickly explain how you even make one of these stickers. So we have this vinyl cutting machine. You load it up with the vinyl you want to cut, you tell it to cut the design, and it goes to work and it cuts it and makes this crazy noise. So after it's cut, you got to do this thing called weeding it. You pull out all the excess, all the stuff that's not the sticker, and you get these really clean looking, like just Evolution stickers on a sheet. You then apply the transfer tape over it, and then you just cut it, and boom, 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 we cut it up, and then that's how you guys receive the Evolution stickers. And now that you know how they are made, kind of gives you an idea of like how it works and how it should obviously release off the transfer tape. So let's go outside and let's start with the car, and then we'll do a helmet and a snowboard and get these things all on your gear. You're ready for the season. The reason why you want to clean the the window off is you don't want the sticker to stick to the dirt and not actually the window, and that's going to cause your sticker to peel off or fall off early. So make sure you always apply your stickers onto clean surfaces. Also make sure it dries. All right, so once the car is ready to go, we're going to peel that transfer tape is what it's called, which is going to remove the sticker. So we had a sticker and then we put another sticker on top of it that removes the sticker from the smooth place, the wax paper, whatever. We use a clear transfer tape so we can then decide where we want to put the sticker. And I like to start with one of the Evolutions first. So I'll usually do the monkey, then we'll go to the next one, and I put them down one at a time so then I don't get bubbles. And if you get bubble in the clear piece, once again, that's just a transfer tape. This is coming off, so no issues there. We're just gonna push the sticker down where we want it. Then once we get it down, we're gonna rub the sticker really nice and good. Make sure the sticker is gonna stay. Get that transfer tape, and we're gonna peel it off. And you want to peel this transfer tape off. It's gonna make the sticker look so much better. And there you guys go. This is a new sticker, by the way. So this is available right now. It's linked in the description. We'll be releasing a bunch of cool custom limited editions, only 40 of these stickers. So make sure you jump on and snag one while you can. It's like just a crazy, just whatever colors. Bobby picked this out. This is Bobby's sticker. So if you want to get Bobby's version of the Evolution sticker, it's linked in the description, because I now finally have a sticker on her car. Let's go.
It looks good.
It does look good. So now let's go inside and put it on a helmet. All right guys, so just like the car, the helmet, you're gonna want to make sure if you have a used helmet or you've been riding your helmet, like clean the sticker area. You want to make sure you're always applying something clean. I have a brand new helmet, so I don't really have to worry about it. Now with a helmet, you have a lot of problem areas because the helmet is round, it bends. If it's not a flat surface, your sticker can get warps or like bubbles in it. So you don't want to apply to a problem area, which is going to be like going across the crown. Like a lot of bend is going to be a problem area. With the Evolution sticker, it looks best on the right side of the helmet because you read the Evolution from smallest to the final form, just like if you're reading a book. So the ideal place to put it is on your helmet on the right hand side, and I have always liked it in this spot. You can literally put it anywhere you want, but that's just kind of where I always rep it. So if you want to rep it like me, you can do that. So we're going to peel the sticker off of the sticker sheet. Sometimes it kind of sticks in there. If that happens, just kind of keep trying different angles, trying to make sure that the sticker sticks to the transfer tape. Fully successfully remove the whole thing. Now I'm gonna just kind of line up the sticker where I want it to kind of go. And then I'm just gonna start with one of the forms, whether that's gonna be on the right or the left side. I'm gonna start with the snowboarder. So I'm gonna put him down first. So on the helmet, like I said, you can get warps or bubbles and stuff because it's round, but at the same time, we have transfer tape, and if it gets a bubble in the transfer tape, that's fine. All I'm worried about is actually just putting down the sticker. So I'm gonna then go for my skier, make sure the skier is going down smooth. But I have a bump right here, but that's not a big deal because the actual sticker doesn't have a bump. So I'm gonna go for this skier, or this guy right here. Then once again, I'm gonna push this dude down. And I'm gonna go for this one. And I'm gonna go with the final guy. pushed them all down. We got warps and all of that going on here with the transfer tape, but once again, that's the transfer tape. We're peeling that off, not a big deal. Make sure we rub down the sticker because the sticker is going to be stickier than the transfer tape. I do like the bend technique where we'll bend the sticker over. If it's not coming down, we kind of just keep pushing and rubbing. And then if you need to put a finger on the sticker to get it to start releasing, you can do that. Now, very important, once you get the transfer tape off, you just make sure that you go back over the sticker, pushing it back down. And that is gonna stay on your helmet. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you apply the sticker on your helmet. Nice and bend, no bubbles, nothing like that, even on a surface that's round. So now let's install it on a snowboard. All right, as you can tell, this snowboard's really filthy, so we're gonna wet paper towel, clean it, make sure that the surface we're applying the sticker is nice and clean, and then we'll come back when this is dry. So a couple tips too when applying to a snowboard or your skis, because we sell ski versions of the Evolution sticker. If you put it on your tip, your tail, the nose of your skis, anything like that, where a lot of people like brush over that nose or tail or tip or anything like that, that can cause the sticker to like get the head chopped off, the snowboard and arm. Just know about that. So if you put it like closer to your bindings, that might give you a safer spot where the sticker's not gonna get scraped off. Any stickers you put on a snowboard, they will last as long as they can, but eventually over time, things hitting them, they'll start to come off. Now these are water resistant. None of them are gonna come off due to water. So we're gonna remove our sticker from the little sticker pad, pick where we wanna put it. And with a snowboard, you can have the same issue as a helmet where if you put on the nose and it's kind of got a bend to it, you might get some bubbles. So make sure you're just pushing down on the little dudes. And honestly, I think applying stickers onto snowboards is the easiest way to do it. And once again, and I didn't mention this, but I do like to peel from left to right. So with the monkey, that means like because all the arms are kind of going down. So we're not pulling against any limbs. It's just kind of just pulling downwards. This one's coming off nice and smooth. It's off. Give the stickers a nice rub. And that's good to go. Also, don't forget, guys, we have so many versions and colors of the Evolution sticker. Alright guys, so that's how you apply the stickers. If you don't have one, make sure you get them. We have a ton of new colors, like forest green, a baby pink. We have the cool one that we put on Bobby's card. That one is now available. It's linked in the description. That's a limited edition run. We only have a couple, probably like 40 of those. So make sure you snag them. Any of the merch, guys. It does support the channel, especially the stickers, guys. Stickers are a huge way to support. And then you let everyone know on the mountain, like, yo, I'm a part of Team Buckhouse. We're out here ripping. You can always grab any of the other merch too. But this video is meant so I can send it to you guys after you purchase the sticker. So if you just purchased a sticker, thank you so much for buying the sticker. I hope it helps you install it and we don't have any defects or anything wrong. And if you do, please contact me. We'll get the sticker fixed, 100% guaranteed on the stickers. We'll make sure that they work for you guys. And other than that, this is such a different video, so we're gonna end it here, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.